Here's how to make a YouTube subscribe link. Now open up the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android or even a computer and tap on the U button at the bottom right. We need to get your URL for your channel, so tap on View Channel right under your channel name. And from here, tap on the three dots at the top right. This will give you the option to share it. Just tap on Share, but we want to copy the link instead of sharing it. So tap on Copy Link. And now we need to put this into somewhere else that we can paste it and add some text. So I'm going to open up my notes here, and I'm going to tap and hit Paste. From here, all I need to do is type in sub, and then type in an underscore, and then confirmation, and then the equal sign, and finally 1. So sub underscore confirmation equals 1. And now that is your YouTube subscribe link.